All the worlds are suffering for thousands of years because of that darkness that human fell into. But when we will wake up, all the nature will wake up as well. And when our memory will be perfect to remember our true nature of being simple souls, of being messengers of the Creator on earth, all the worlds that depend on us will wake up as well. And like we said in the beginning of our wonderful class, not only the people you are coming in touch with and talking to and relate to, also just those ones that you see with the angle over there in the corner of your eye, just those ones you even haven't paid attention to their existence, but really they crossed your vision, your eyesight. They are enjoying something of yours in life. And no matter who you are, you're affecting that energy on them. And when we will remember the true nature of our creation, that light of truth will spark into their hearts and will shine their souls. And they will experience that awakeness from within, immediately, corresponding to your effort and to your great actions and work.
The world does not exist. Because Olam Milshon Ne'elem, the world is just blocking the light of truth. The world calls Alma Deshika, world of lie. It's just a fake. We're just inside of an illusion. It's just a fake. We're just